Hello everyone, welcome to Team Webinars channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can boost up or decrease startup time of your PC or laptop. So first of all, open Task Manager and go to Startups and disable all softwares from startup. After that, restart your PC. So that's all for this video. See you in next video, and if you like this video, then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. So see you in another video. Thank you for watching.